Hi, my name is Yum and I am an 18-year-old Muslim woman. Life as a Muslim is very spiritual and fulfilling. The people of Islam, like me, are referred to as Muslims, meaning those who submit to God. This refers to our serious belief and interpretation of our holy book, the Quran. We believe that the Quran is the book of final revelation given to Muhammad by God. The Quran is viewed as a book of life, containing teachings God himself believes. Everyone has different views on the Quran and its teachings. Some believe it is to be interpreted as a violent book, but others live by its teachings for love, honesty, and respect. My family and I have always lived by these teachings of kindness, thankful for the gifts God has given us. We try to live by the 5 pillars, including giving 1/40 of all we have to the needy. We are especially thankful for the impact of Islam on women. Before Muhammad and his revelations, women were viewed as worthless and treated with very little respect. Islam saved us and enforced the belief that all people are equal. One belief of Muslim women is to be as modest and concealing as possible. We believe that men should respect us and care for us as the person we are inside, not by our features on the outside. We achieve this belief by wearing the hijab, a headscarf covering the hair and neck area. We believe that no skin should be shown except for the face and the hands. I am not ashamed to wear my hijab, as I believe I am privileged to wear one. Another belief of Islam is that everyone must make a pilgrimage to Mecca, as Muhammad did years ago. We first must walk around the Kaaba, the temple Muhammad destroyed and rid of polytheistic idols, dedicating it to Abraham and the one true God, 7 times. We then pray in remembrance and thankfulness to God. Prayer is a very important part of Muslim life. We pray 5 times a day, after waking up, when the sun is at its highest, mid-decline, sunset, and before retiring. The belief that prayer should be observed 5 times a day comes from the story of Muhammad's night journey to heaven. Muhammad was brought up to heaven and believed to have debated with God about how many times a day one should pray, and 5 was the final number settled on. This is why we make sure we pray 5 times daily. Family and prayer are a very important part of our religion. We are sure to always spend time helping our family members. Islam is a religion of love, and I am so proud to be a Muslim.